it all in front of me, the writing on the wall. And I wondered if things could be the same, if things could be the way they were again. Like an old detective, I keep searching for a clue, trying to pull a gem out of the blue. Everybody's looking for another chance. Everybody's looking for a second glance. Be careful what you're wishing for. It isn't all you thought that it would be. Anyone can see. I thought I'd finally seen the light. I wasn't gonna change it all, not without a fight. And I wondered if I was all alone, if I was like a man without a home. Like an old composer, I keep writing the same song, trying to find the place where I belong. Everybody's looking for another chance. Everybody's looking for a second glance. Be careful what you're wishing for. It isn't all you thought that it would be. Anyone can see. Everybody's looking for a little love. Tired of dealing with the same old push and shove. Be careful what you're wishing for. It isn't all you thought that it would be. Anyone can see. Take a look at me.
But Sarah, don't you know that I love you? Even God himself I have not put above you. She just said, Hefe, I think you should know the reason I go. You never take a chance. So into the desert I wandered alone. My vanquished heart as hard as a stone. But in my moment, in my 49s, I saw my way, I saw my light. And from this day forward, I will only listen to the still small voice in my head. 'Cause I listen to you and I listen to them, and all your lies say to me, all your voices are dead. And there lay the serpent, how she filled me with dread. I put my heel onto her head. She said, I forgive you. You've been taught right from wrong. Then she sang to me the most beautiful song. I spoke with the prophet. He said, have nothing to fear. I said, then fill me up, I have ears to hear. He just said, God damn you, you're as gone as I've seen. What you think is sacred, we feel is obscene. From this day forward, I will only listen to the still small voice in my head. 'Cause I listen to you and I listen to them, and all your lies say to me, all your voices are dead.